Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to biggest opportunity for the freshers batch. If you are from 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24 batch, this video is for you. IBM and Zoho announced the biggest opportunity, biggest hiring for all of you. IBM is hiring for technical support engineer role and Zoho is hiring for software developer role, as well as 24, 23, 22, 21, 2020 batch can also apply in Zoho, as well as in IBM. Freshers batch can directly apply for the opportunity. And I have a very additional opportunity for all of you that is related to like a work from home job opportunity. So this video is very important for all of you. Like and share, as well as you can check our recent videos on our channel that is related to important hiring. Okay, so let's start the video. So as you can see on my screen that basically IBM Zoho announced the biggest direct hiring. Okay, so the role is software developer and tech software engineer, like technical software engineer or technical support engineer. So basically it is posted by officially like developer at Zoho Corporation. Zoho is organizing an off campus drive for fresher as well as lateral candidates for the software developer position. A student graduating in 2024 will also be eligible to take the test. So basically experience range is 0 to 3 years. So like if you are freshers, okay, and if you have an experience range of 0 to 3 years, so you can directly apply. So according to my opinion, if you are from 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24 batch, directly apply for this opportunity. If you are from previous batches also like 19, 18, 17, 16, because they mention basically they mention year of graduation in the form, but the experience range is 0 to 3 years. Okay, so basically the test will be start from 3 February based on location. How to apply? So basically if you are from 24 batch, you can also apply for this opportunity. In the graduation section they mention you have to fill your name, what's your native district. So it is related to Chennai, and basically they mention test location in which they mention Chennai, Coimbatore and Tenkasi. So basically there are three location and this opportunity is related to that. So in the state they mention so many states here, and you have to mention your resume, what's your test date. So like you select a test location, after that the test date will be shown 3 February, 4 February, 10 February. For Coimbatore also there is a test date. For Tenkasi there is a also test date. So basically there are tests according to the location wise. Okay, so this opportunity is very good for the freshers batch. Share this opportunity with your friends as well and don't miss this opportunity. Second opportunity is from IBM. They are hiring for technical support engineer role. If you are graduates like 23, 22, 21, directly apply for this opportunity. It is an entry level opportunity and freshers can easily apply. Basically they want you have to work with operational management of clients, you have to work with team, as well as use your business and technical analysis skills and knowledge of IT. So it is related to tech support engineer hiring. And the last hiring, this is one of the most important point. This is a work from home opportunity. So basically they are hiring for so many different role. There are so many opportunities are there. If you are freshers, like if you are from 24 as well, try to apply for this opportunity. This is a remote job. Okay, and you can check all the related hirings that is related. Okay, some candidates applied for this opportunity and they got the test mail, so don't miss this. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any kind of doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.